Next, second question. Two figures are given of different sizes and he is asking which figure is having more volume and also find which is having larger surface area. That is the question. So we need to find volumes and surface areas. Before that, just by seeing, can we answer which is having more surface area or volume? The question is like this. See, here this diameter is 7 centimeters. In the question it is given, figure A, diameter is 7 centimeters and this is 14. In this figure, that is B figure, this is 14 and this is 7. Just the values are interchanged. Here the diameter is 7, height is 14. Whereas here the diameter is 14 and the height is 7. Just values are changed. Here the diameter is 7, here the height is 7. Here the height is 14, here the diameter is 7. In that case, generally by seeing what we feel is just the values are interchanged, but here this is 14, this is 7 only. Whereas this has become 14 now. So by seeing that we may feel that volume and surface areas may be same. It may be same. But are they really same? Let us do and find it out. Come on, start. First one. First we will find the volume. Formula of volume, pi r square h, and surface area formula 2 pi r into r plus h. We will start with volumes. First we will start with A, volume. A, pi r square h. So 22 by 7 into r. What is the value of r? Diameter is 7. So r will be 7 by 2. Here also r will be 14 by 2, that is 7. So r square 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into h. H is 14. 14. Now let us do cancellation. 7 ones are, 7 ones are, cancel. 7 7 cancel. Now here 2 ones are, 2 sevens are. So we are left with 2 ones are, 2 elevens are. So 11 into 7 into 7. So that is 11 into 49. So that is 539. This is the centimeter square. This is the volume of figure A. Now let us do for figure B. Figure B. Same formula, pi r square h. So 22 by 7 into what is r? 7. 7 into 7 into what is h here? Here 7. 7. 7 7 cancel. So we are left with 22 into 7 into 7. That is 22 into 49. That is 1078 centimeters square. Now, as far as volumes are concerned, figure A we got 539, figure B we got 1078. If you observe, this is just a double of it. So figure B, this volume is having double of this. Now let us calculate surface areas. Formula we know, 2 pi r into r plus h. First for A, 2 into 22 by 7 into r. What is r? 7 by 2. 7 by 2 into r plus h. 7 by 2 plus what is h? 14. Just we are substituting the values. in this 2, 22 by 7, in place of R we are putting 7 by 2, R plus H, R is 7 by 2 plus H is 14. 7, 7 cancel, 2, 2 cancel. Now we are left with 22 into 7 by 2 plus 14. Simplification we know 7 plus 28, that is 22 into 35 by 2. 2 ones are 2 11s are 35 11s are 385. So we got as 385 centimeters square as surface area of first figure. Now let us calculate for B. B 2 pi R. What is R? 7. R plus H. 7 plus H is 7. 7, 7 cancel. So 2 into 22 into 7 plus 7, 14. So 2 22s are 44 into 14. Let us do this. 44 into 14. 14 fours are 56. 56 plus 5, 61. So this is 616 centimeter square. Now let us analyze. First figure volume is 539 and second figure volume is 1078 centimeter square. Whereas coming to surface area 385 and 616. Which is having more? Figure A is having 539 and 385. In both the cases, that is as far as volume is concerned or surface area is concerned, A is lesser than B. B is having 1078 and 616. So B is having more in terms of values, whether it is a volume or surface area. Now what we can say, if this is bigger in size, generally when the size is bigger, then the surface area will be more or the volume will be more. Of course 714, 714, the values are same, but these are interchanged. This is bigger in the shape, so it can accommodate more volume. So we got this as more in terms of volume as well as total surface area.